Howdy everyone, this is Grandpa with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Styles Apartments. Hey, so we're here at the Alta Park Central and we're gonna look at their gym. So let's take a look at the gym right now. It's really big, it's clean, it feels great. So let's take a look at it right now. First of all, I love the hand sanitizer that's there. That's really, really nice. I love seeing that a lot. Okay, I really like seeing that. And then you've got, looks like an echelon over here, so that's pretty cool. You've got some mats over there, and then you've got the some pretty good ellipticals here and treadmills. So those 3 treadmills that are over here, 2 Stairmasters, and then some ellipticals over there. These are all overlooking the pool as well. So you've got, a lot of light and good views. And then you've got some pretty good machine weights over here too. So you've got some free weights, and then you've got these Pre-Core kind of machines that are here. Pretty cool. You do have like a punching bag and things like that. And then you've got some dumbbells over here. So that's pretty cool. And then you also have these spin bikes that are over here as well. Really nice. It's a good variety of machine and aerobic. I would say this is a B+, A- kind of gym. Pretty good gym. I love it. Hey, if you have any questions about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below.